Is your Toyota Sequoia acting up with Apple CarPlay connection drops or freezing? Interestingly, 85% of these connection issues actually start at the cable or phone settings. Let us systematically diagnose the problem. Start by swapping your cable, forgetting the device in the settings, and verifying your iPhone is fully updated. Check that Siri is enabled and that your screen time restrictions aren't blocking external connections. If the phone is fine, a hard reboot of the Toyota infotainment system often clears the memory buffer. Most fixes are simple DIY steps, but a damaged USB port in the dash might require professional attention. As you can see, the vast majority of solutions cost nothing or just the price of a new cable. For persistent issues, a hard battery reset can force the infotainment system to clear all cached communication data. Ensure you have a basic 10mm wrench and some compressed air to clean out any debris from the USB port. Remember, the simplest solution is usually the right one, so start with the cable before you ever touch the dashboard. If you're still having issues, check the Toyota owner portal to see if your Sequoia has an available firmware update.